Imagine turning simple text into full-blown cinematic 4K videos, or taking a single image and bringing it to life with motion, sound, and even lip sync, all without touching a traditional editor. In today's video, I'll show you an incredible AI platform that does all this and more, from generating videos and characters to building entire short films with just a script. Stick around, because what you're about to see is on a whole different level of AI creativity. Let's dive in. Open your browser, search for SkyReels, and open the first result. You can also find its link in the description below. Sign in with your Google account and you will get 25 free credits. After signing in, you'll see a simple and professional dashboard that offers two main options: AI video and AI drama. However, if you click on All Tools, you'll find several more tools that are essential for any content creator in this AI era, such as AI video generator, image generator, lip sync, text-to-speech video editor, and more. Let's start with the video generator. Here you can create videos from text or images. There are many effects available that you can use to make fun videos. There is also a subject reference option. You can extend any video to increase its length. First, let's create a video from text. I've entered a prompt here. A woman sitting at an office desk working on a computer in a modern office background with soft lighting and a professional atmosphere. There are 3 modes. You can choose any mode you prefer. You can also select the aspect ratio. For duration, you can create videos ranging from 5 seconds to 30 seconds, which makes SkyReels stand out from the rest of the video generators because most other tools only allow a maximum of 10 seconds. You can go up to 4K resolution, and you can create 4 videos at once. After setting everything up, click the Create button. Our video will start generating. You'll notice that compared to other tools, SkyReels takes a bit longer to generate a video. However, for such an excellent tool, that's a reasonable compromise. Okay, our video has been generated. It looks completely realistic. Look at the movement of the hands on the laptop. There's no distortion at all, and very few tools can produce such results. Now let's change the prompt and set the duration to 30 seconds, then click Create again. And just look at the 30-second video result. A cyberpunk woman in a hooded jacket leaning against a graffiti-covered wall as soft rain falls, neon signs casting blue and pink hues on her face. This is also a striking, consistent 30-second video. Even better videos can be created with improved prompts. Now, let's try image to video. Click on Add Frame and upload your image here. I typed the prompt: a smiling girl painting the wall using a paint roller. Hit the Create button, and boom! This tool has turned a still image into a video that matches our prompt. Let's try it with another image. This time, the image I'm uploading shows a drifting car. I'll enter a prompt and click Create, and you can see a racing car smoothly and realistically drifting on a track. The level of detail is so high that you can see the steering wheel moving through the windshield. Next, let's explore the feature called Extend, which, as its name suggests, extends videos. I'll add a recent video here, click Create. And you can see the extended version of this video is now 10 seconds long, and everything is smooth, no visible cuts or distortions. So SkyReels is one of the best AI tools that you must try at least once. Moving on to the next tool, which is the AI image generator. At the top, you'll see a text box where you type whatever you want to generate an image of. I wrote, a Ford Raptor F-150 truck stuck in deep mud in a dense jungle. There's also an option to upload a reference photo if you have one. You can choose the aspect ratio, image model, and style. Once everything is set to your preference, click Generate. And here you can see realistic images of a truck stuck in the mud. Let's try another prompt and see the results. The image quality is outstanding. If you use this tool, you won't need to use different AI platforms to create your content. Now, let's move on to SkyReels' standout feature, AI drama, which lets you make short films just by giving it a script. There are inspirations available here. You can paste your own script or novel if you want to turn it into a short film. In the Inspiration tab, if you click on More, you'll see several demo script templates you can use. You can also have ChatGPT write scripts for you, but for now I'll use a demo script. After confirming, Your script idea will appear in this text box. Then click the Generate Script button at the top right corner. You'll see it takes the idea from the inspiration box and begins writing a complete script from it. First, it writes a summary of the entire story. Then it starts typing out the actual script, including interior scenes and all the other details you'd expect in a proper script. After that, it moves on to the next step, which is Generate Character. When you click it, Skyreels reads the entire script, identifies the characters, decides what they look like, and then creates their appearances. You can see how it generates amazingly detailed characters. You can change how they look, alter their voices, and customize many other details. Once you're satisfied with the characters, click Generate Storyboard. You'll get a complete layout showing all your scenes. Each scene is editable, and you can also preview them. Just like that, you have a fully AI-generated drama episode ready. Next, you click on Edit Video, and a normal video editor will open. I feel there's no need to explain how to use it because anyone watching this video will already be quite familiar with video editing, and everything here is already laid out neatly. You can add subtitles, and there are filters you can apply in your video. There are various transitions and effects available, and you already know full well how to use them. So let me show you the final result.
Aunt Brita, you barely touched your breakfast again.
Don't fuss over me, love. I've had worse days.
Your doctor said...
Orla, you can't hide forever. Your father.
Please, not this again.
The truth will come out. Better it be on your terms.
I won't let them destroy what we've built here.
This is pure sensationalism, Flynn.
It's called investigative reporting, Keen.
Attacking reputable businessmen?
Someone has to expose their corruption.
Or maybe you're just trying to prove something you're not.
Careful, Niall, you've no idea what I am.
The link is in the description below. Try it out and unlock your creative potential. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more AI-powered tips. See you next time.